What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. I am just a guy on the internet expressing his point of view on these particular subjects. And before we continue, let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Kaspa. So guys, I don't know if you can go back on my videos, you will always see I've always said that this run Kaspa is going to $10 this run. I've always told you guys that because I saw this coming in a long way back. I saw this coming. Okay, maybe people sometimes they are trading Kaspa because of the hype, because it will make them in the short time. Kaspa is very bullish. In the long term, it's even more bullish. Okay, that's why people trade it. Go look at the daily volume: 20 million, 30 million, even $40 million daily trading volume. But anyways, that is what we are going to talk about today. The road to $10 for Kaspa has just begun. Okay, so but before we do that, I will take you into the trading view. I will show you. Let's just make a recap on how the market is performing today on the three coins that we are following on this road, on this bull run. Okay, in this my millionaire journey, I chose three coins to trade: to buy on spot, to buy on to trade on leverage, and to mine. So on spot, I'm buying Kaspa. Excuse me. I'm buying Kaspa, Jasmy, and Quant. And on leverage, I'm trading Kaspa, Quant, and Jasmy too. And on the side, I am trading Ondo Finance, which I use for the fees. You know, once it gets to a particular point, I take the fees, pay for the exchange fees, and use the surplus to scale up my trading positions. In that way, I don't have to use money from my pocket anymore. I'm just using exchange money. That's what I'm using. I hope you guys are doing the same. Okay, but if not, use your money. This is not financial advice. I'd rather fund my spot position first. When I get to the point that I like, that I see on the spot, then I can start funding my leverage position. That is what I would do. That's what I did. Okay, so today I will show you probably my spot positions on Kaspa, Jasmy, and Quant. Like I say, minimum you need on Quant is 100 Quants. 100, man. My Quants, that's what I have. I have 100 Quant on spot, and the rest I'm leverage trading it. So let's first of all go to the crypto bubbles right quick and see how those three coins are performing today. Let's go here. Let's go there. My crypto bubbles. As you can see today, look at that. Kaspa, the king himself, king is up 6.8%. Guys, look at Quant. Quant is up 2.4%. The only one lagging behind today is Jasmy, which is up which is down -4%. That will explain why I took some profit. Okay, earlier today, early in the morning, around 4 o'clock in the morning, I took some profits. I needed money for something else, so I took some profit from my short-term trades on Jasmy. So let's start with King Kaspa. As you can see, King Kaspa, in the last hour, it is up 2%. It is breaking out, going to try that all-time high. And on the day, we're up 6.8%. So we don't need to even search for them today. They are right there. Quant, in the last hour, Quant is down 0.4%. But on the daily, we are up 2.3%. Just like I kept telling you guys, Quant is about to take off. Okay, I will show you in my trading view right quick, and I'll show you what the price is doing. And now let's go to Jasmy. Jasmy, we are down 0.4%. on the hourly and down 4.2% on the daily. Okay, we are now testing the crucial support on Jasmine. Okay, and I will show you that too in the trading view. So what the market is doing is basically going sideways for for Jasmine. It's basically going sideways. We are testing that crucial support at 2.8, 2.9 cents. That's what we are testing right now. I think it will hold and then it will bounce up from there. The probability of it bouncing upwards is like 75%, and the rest 25% is going downwards. I think Jasmine is about to take off. Now let's go to my trading view and I will show you what the price is doing. Let's head first there. Let's hit the trading view. Okay, on trading view we are about to start with Kaspa. Okay, ticket symbol KAS. That's what we're starting with. So as you can see, let me zoom out a little bit. You see that Kaspa is breaking out right now. We are trying to go to the all-time high, and once we get to the all-time high, guys, Kaspa is going to go into price discovery. Everything started right there. Those of you who remember, I told you guys the inverse head and shoulders. Okay, we broke above it. Okay, we broke above there, and as you can see, price went all the way to retest there. It broke out through first. It broke through that resistance, turned into support. Okay, that was something that I've noticed about Kaspa. Kaspa usually break out violently first and then comes back and retest. As you can see, that was the target of the inverse head and shoulder, but it broke above it, now came back, retested it, when broke above, came back, retest again, the next the next resistance turned into support, and as you can see, it traded along there for a couple of hours. Okay, for a couple of hours. Now you can see we are breaking out again. We are above the ribbon and price is shooting. So we're about to go try the all-time high over there at 19.4 or 20 cents. Depends on what exchange you're looking at. So yeah, Kaspa is taking off. It is going really going off. I will show you my long-term trades and I'll also show you my short-term trades to see how they're doing. Now let's go to the next coin. Next coins we are trading is QNT. I like the Binance chart, which is this one. I told you guys Quant was taking out. Quant was going out. I told you guys that. Okay, so right now, as you can see, let me extend this line because Quant is facing resistance right now, right there. That's the resistance we are facing. If you know, you guys know, these lines I've had them for a while. Now look, let's start from here. This is when everybody was calling for a $40 Quant, and I do remember telling you guys that Quant wasn't going to $40. Quant was reversing because there was a lot riding for Quant. So we came up there, we broke this support, went low, came back. This was a fake out. This you're seeing here, this was a fake out. Okay, broke above it, went above the ribbon, Quant went to the races. So we had this support, we have this resistance at $76. That's where we have resistance, a lot of resistance with Quant. Okay, depends on how you draw your lines. Me, it's around that 76, between 76 and 79, right there. So as you can see, Quant wicked and came back, That told me that resistance is about to play a role right now. So as you can see, we are still on that resistance, forming this bull flag. Okay, this bull flag, depending on where it breaks out, once it breaks out of this bull flag, Quant is about to go to probably, we have $84 to $85. Okay, $84 to $85 depends on when it breaks out. So as you can see, if you take the measurement, okay, for you to know where it is going, look at that. You take the measurement from where it broke out here to where it tops out, clone it and place it on the point of the breakout. Right now, as you can see, Quant is getting sandwiched. Okay, there is a lot of pressure because we are being forced by the ribbon. You see the ribbon is curving and we have this downwards resistance. So we about to get out of it. Once quant gets out of this resistance that it is forming right now, it is going to go high, and the high we are targeting right now is 83 to $84. That's what we are targeting right now. So if we go to the 4-hourly, this will tell you right there. See, we break out of this, the target is up here, 84, roughly 83 $84. Okay, but like I was telling you guys the other day, the importance of this breakout is this moving average, this 200 moving average. Quant is about to break out of this to retest the moving average, turn it into support, and there we go. Next target after that is going to be the $104. $104, we test that, we get it, we turn it into support. Quant is going up to 120. The ultimate target for all this you're looking right now is forming that all this you're looking at right now is forming that second leg on the weekly. Okay, look at the weekly. Let me zoom in. There you go. This is what's happening right now. Quant is forming that second leg on the weekly. We have this first leg, 1 for the W, 2, this is the second leg we are forming. Now we are starting to come up to get this maximum resistance here at the 145, 150. We have that resistance. Once quant goes above it, guys, this thing is heading to the all-time high. 150, it will go there to 180. From that to 250 to almost all-time high, because as you can see, there is no resistance so ever after we cross this 150. Okay, after we cross this 150, next resistance is going to be right there. 150, next resistance is here at that 220, 225. After that, there is no resistance to the all-time high. Quant is going to take off just like that, and I'm telling you guys, this is the time you make your moves. Okay, now let's go to the other coin we are dealing with in this my millionaire journey, which is Jasmy, JASMY. I like the Binance chart. Okay, Jasmy, when you look at Jasmy on the weekly, that's why I have these lines already drawn for a while now. Those of you who's been following my channel, you will notice that too. This is Jasmy on the weekly. On the weekly, excuse me, I'm gonna take my arrow right quick. On the weekly, look, the ribbon is curving upwards. Ribbon has already started to go upwards. So the first resistance we broke at 2.3 cents. Second resistance is what we are facing to take right now at 3.8. After 3.8, we have at 4.55 cents thereabout. Once we break it, there is no major resistance to Jasmy for Jasmy until 20 cents, guys. So that 12 cents and 15 cents, there are some little and minor resistance. They are not major. Jasmy is going to break through those like nothing. But let me take you to the 1 hour. This is where you see how interesting the price action is, and that is why I took profits. On the 1 hourly, you see, okay, let me close this and zoom out a little bit. Okay, I gotta correct that because I used it for something else. There you go. So on the 1 hourly, look, Jasmy is getting sandwiched this support line at 2.8, 2.9 cents. We have the support line, we have the moving averages that is also, it's kind of sandwiching Jasmy together, and this pressure is the buying pressure is always coming right now. It's like pushing Jasmy together. We are getting closer to this apex. If I take it to the 4 hourly, look there, this shows it even better. Look at this. This is that support. This support line goes all the way back to February. From February, this line has been used as both support and resistance in the Jasmy price. So as you can see, we are getting sandwiched together. we're getting sandwich, compressed, and then sooner than later, Jasmine is going to break up. And the next target, like I told you guys, is 3.8 cents. So look at this. Let's go backwards. I will show you. This is where that line came from. Okay, if you look this here, right here, this is February 24. Since February 24, that line has acted as support and resistance. Now we have it as support. It's forming, and Jasmine is retesting it right now. When I zoom in, you can see right there. When I zoom in, see? So the price is getting sandwiched, is getting suppressed. That's why I'm not worried about that, because right now I just took profit. I needed money for something. I took profits on Jasmine on my short-term trade. Right there, I had almost profits of $300 and some dollars. You guys remember yesterday I showed it to you. But as you can see, we're getting squeezed on. As you can see, it's gonna touch and it's gonna go. This is on the daily. So guys, Jasmine is about to pop, just like I told you guys about Quant. Is happening with Jasmine right now as we speak. So that being said, let me take you to my trades right quick, my short-term trades and my long-term trades. So guys, again, do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing, because you could lose your money very, very easily. Okay, I know what I'm doing. It took me a long time, but I learned it. Okay, I'm only going to show you guys. But if you're confident enough and you know what you're doing, below I do have my Phemex and Bydfi affiliate links. Sign up, get the bonuses, okay? Start trading. After you start trading, take your initial money out and use the house money. That's what I did. I used the bonuses and try to grow them up. As you will see, I will show you very soon on my long-term and the short-term trades. Okay, so now let's go first on my Bydfi, which are the trades that I plan to keep open on this my millionaire journey. I plan to keep these trades open to the top of the bull run, or as close as possible, because like I always say, nobody knows where the top of the bull run is going to be. Okay, so let me take you to my Bydfi. Okay, Bydfi right there. Those of you who's been following me, again, my total, you already know, my total went all the way down to $18,000-$20,000, I think, and I kept telling you guys I'm not worried about it because the market is reversing. As you can see today, I am up 28,400. This number is going to keep increasing as the bull run goes up. So let's go to my contracts. See, I told you guys Quant was taking off. It's taking a breather now, because yesterday my Quant was up almost 34%, which was like 1,700. Today, because it's taking a breather, my Quant is down 23%, which is around $1,000. I am not worried about it. I'm telling you guys, this thing is going to start going up there to retest that 104. And again, by the time it reaches that 104, this trade will make me $6,400, close to $6,500. See, that is what I'm targeting, because I know it's about to go there. But again, this is my long term. I don't even care about that. It can go up there and do whatever it wants until the end of the bull run. Now, on the finance, that is like I told you guys, I trade it for the fees and also to make extra money for my scale of my trades, or probably use it for anything else I want to. My Ondo Finance is up today 13%. Okay, 13%, which is like $135, still nowhere. I'm targeting $1.50 to $2. Guys, if you open a trade, those are good take profits area on Ondo Finance. So now let's go onto my Jasmine and my Kaspa. Like you see, like I told you guys, Jasmine is taking a breather. Okay, so my Jasmine is down 43%, which is $1,800. Not worried about it, because like I said, this thing is about to take off. Now, the king of them all, King Kaspa. My Kaspa is up 90%. 8%, guys. Wow. And people who were expecting 6 cents Kaspa, and I told you guys it wasn't going to happen. So my Kaspa is up 90%, which is $7,400. Okay, guys, this thing is going to retest 25 cents, 30 cents. From 30, we are going to be looking at 40 to 60 cents. And with the tier 1 exchange listing, Kaspa is going to $1. So I'm telling you guys, you got to look at it. Look, by the time we hit, see, I had $10 here for the longest. When everybody was saying anything else, my take profit here is $10. My take profit, and at $10, this trade will make me $982,000, and I'm going to keep it open. Even though right now I think Kaspa is about to run to $16 or even $20 this run. I will tell you why in a minute. But anyways, I'm targeting, look, this the good profit taking areas, or 0.25, which will make me $13,000. If you have the same amount, that's what you will get. We're targeting 30 cents, which will make $18,000. 60 cents, which will make me $48,000, or even $1, which will make me $87,000. But this is not the trade that I want to take profits on. I'm going to take you to my short-term trades right quick, and I'll show you right there. So that being said, let me take you to my Phemex, where I have my short-term trades. Let's go Phemex. There you go. Phemex. For those of you, again, you've been following this my millionaire journey. Now you will know that my total here went all the way down to $5,000. Today we are up almost $8,000. Again, this is my short term. This is where I look at the market and take some profits whenever I want, just like I just did with Jasmine. I just took some profit with Jasmine because I needed money for something. But anyways, let's go to the contracts. Now Jasmine is going down as usual, and I took profits. That's why you see my Jasmine position, I am down -6 or -5% on my Jasmine, but I'm not worried about it, guys. I'm telling you, this thing is just going to touch that 2.7, 2.8 thereabout, and it will bounce back up. So now look at my Kaspa. On my Kaspa trade, I am up 37%, which is almost $2,000. Now this is where I want to show you guys. Let's go to the take profits. And like I said, I'll be looking to take profit at 25 cents to see what the market is doing. At 25 cents, this trade is going to make me 4,100 right there. 4,100. Now, if the market is still doing good, I will let it rise to 30 cents. At 30 cents, this trade is going to make me $6,000. Okay, reevaluate the market, see if you want to take profit. But since now I know that this thing, the migration will probably be complete, I'm telling you guys, with the completion of migration and these smart contracts, Kaspa is going to hit probably 60 cents. At 60 cents, I will be having $17,300. 17,300. That's what I will have. And then I will reevaluate, because I'm telling you, markets, these exchanges are going to list it. And once they list it, Kaspa is probably going to go to $1 or close to $1. And that will make me, like I'm showing you guys, $33,000 thereabout. So yeah, this is my take profit areas on my short-term trade. So I'm not worried about anything else. I'm just sitting here waiting for this thing to take off. So let's go. Here, there we go. Kaspa gearing up to $10. Guys, I saw this coming. I saw it coming long time ago, before crypto craze, before crypto galaxy, before all these people started saying it. And I'm telling you guys, Kaspa is gearing up for even higher than that this run. Is gearing up even higher than that this run, because when you put every piece of the puzzle together, okay, when you put every piece of the puzzle together, it's beginning to make sense. Right now, I'm gonna show you a tweet right quick. Tron Network. Tron network. That is why I'm telling you guys that Kaspa is going to take Ethereum position sooner than you think. I think Kaspa is going to be number 2 on the crypto charts very, very sooner than a lot of people expect. Okay, let's look at this. Stable coins, for example. Tron is doing way better than Ethereum when it comes to stable coin transactions, even better than MasterCard and Visa together. Now, when you compare the technology, Kaspa's technology is 1,000,000 times superior to Tron. So when all these smart contracts get launched, okay, when we get this smart contract launch and the stable coins, everything is launched on Kaspa, we are not going to be competing with Ethereum, guys. The volume is going to be competing with Tron. If Tron is doing almost 54, I think it's 54 or 55 billion dollars a day in transaction volume, what do you think Kaspa will do? And now the model that they have Kaspa, okay, guys, guys, look, listen. The model that Kaspa is about to implement is like any transaction that you want to do on Kaspa chain, you are going to use Kaspa, okay, as the transaction money for the gas fees. I mean, you understand? Do you understand how much Kaspa will be traded, like have to be bought, buy and sold for you to transact on those stable coins? Do you understand that? Okay, let me take you to a Twitter quick, or X as they call it. Let me show you something. Twitter or X, is it? I think it is called X. I can't get used to calling that thing that. So let's go here, and you go 53 billion, and then you put Tron, and then you put Visa. That way it will search those words, particularly Visa. Because that right there, guys, look at that. Tron Tron is making those transactions. Just look at it. Look at that. Tether is preparing for incoming meltdown. Okay, but if you look, there are 23 billion USDT on Tron chain right now. So Tron is processing 53 billion USDT. That is what it is processing. Now, when this okay, let me go back here. When these sanctions kick in, okay, all that money, all those transactions, guys, where do you think they're going to go? The only chain that can handle that is going to be on Kaspa. So Kaspa is going to take that market share from Tron. And plus, I don't even want to mention that shitcoin Solana. When people realize that Kaspa is processing and is doing way better than Solana, people are going to start migrating. They're going to start coming over. That right now is what is showing you, is what is happening right now. If you look at the number of addresses of people holding more than $10,000 or at least 10,000 Kaspa coins, it is shooting. And I kept telling you guys months and months ago, just buy 10,000 Kaspa. That is all you need, guys, because this thing, I can't stress it enough. Kaspa is about to run. Okay, let me show you the numbers right quick. Let me show you those numbers right there. Now going to refresh. There, you see, a couple days ago, not even a week, Kaspa was trading at 3.5 or 3.4 billion dollars, and I told you guys that this wasn't going to last. Today we are at 4.6, almost 4.6 billion dollars. Look at the price. When it was around that 13-14 cents, a lot of people kept calling for 6 cents, and I told you guys that I don't think that thing is going lower. Look at that. Look at it now. We are trading at 19, almost 20 cents. Okay, now look at that. What I want to show you is here: addresses holding more than $1,000 plus, which is I'm holding 10,000 plus Kaspa coins. You see that? 100,000. And if you go back, they were sitting at 87,000 for the longest. And I kept telling you guys, look, 100,000. You need to get your 10,000 coins, guys. This thing is about to run. The Rust language. Look at that. I told you guys just yesterday. I told you guys that any day now this thing will be at 100%. Do you see that? Yesterday it was like 6 or 7% left. Today we are just 2% left. Guys, this right here is what all these exchanges are waiting for. All these exchanges, like I said, this tier one, Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, you name them, this is what they're waiting for. They will not want to miss all this money that is going to be attracted by the smart contract getting launched. This migration today or tomorrow, any day now, will be 100%. And I can guarantee you the migration will be completed before the launch of smart contracts. That is what is happening right now. So once this migration completes, smart contract get launched, you are about to see Binance, Coinbase, you call them, they are about to list Kaspa. And everybody understand, Tron Network processing $53 billion a day on transactions. All that market share is going to go to Kaspa once this stable coin on Kaspa get launched with the smart contracts. Guys, it is all written on the wall. The signs are right there. It's up to you to look at it and make money out of it. Hey, it's not financial advice. I'm just telling you my opinion. My opinion, so far so good. It is doing good in this my millionaire journey. Okay, so look at everything. Look at everything. Just like I told you about Quant. Quant was not going down to $40. Guys, Quant is looking to go up to $104. Now, they have some resistance along the way, but it's happening. Look at it now. Quant right now. I'm telling you guys, the same thing is happening to Kaspa. Kaspa is looking to take over. This is not coming to compete. Kaspa is looking to take over Ethereum. That is the end game. That is the main point of Kaspa right now. If you look at it, smart contracts coming on, okay, this price will take off. And I can tell you guys, $1, okay, excuse me. I can tell you guys, $1 Kaspa is going to be knocking on your door before you could even say hi. I'm telling you guys right now. Mark my words. Okay, that's why I have my trades ready. I have my long-term trades. I have my short-term trades. They are all ready. And I always show you guys every day. I show you my take profit areas, which I will look, like I say, I look at those take profits, see what the market is doing, and decide if I want to take profits or not. I don't say close the trade. No, take profits, which is like maybe 30, 40% or 50% of my position. Okay, so guys, again, like I always say, if you know, you know. Okay, excuse me. If you know, you know. This wealth transfer is happening right in front of your eyes, guys. It's happening right in front of your eyes. All you need, just 10,000 Kaspa, 100 Quant. For for Kaspa, 10,000 should do you. Me, I will keep accumulating because I don't have maximum amount on Kaspa. I want to get as much as possible because Kaspa, by 2030, Kaspa will be the new Bitcoin. Trust me, we will watch this video again, and a lot of you will remember today. You will remember today. Like I'm telling you, I thought $10 was maximum for Kaspa this season, but I'm telling you guys, Kaspa this season, we are looking at probably between $16 to $20 on this season. Mark my words, you will see. Okay, that being said, guys, thank you for checking out my videos. Please, Excuse me. I don't know why my phone always does this. Thank you for checking out my videos. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Share this video so that other people around the world who want is my millionaire journey can join. They can join me and we can share ideas. Okay, I'd like to know what you think about this, Kaspa. I want to know what your ideas are on Quant, on Jasmine. I would like to know all of that. Okay, so that being said, guys, till I see you in the next one, please take care of yourself and thank you. Bye bye.